So here's another update on the house. So much to think about. Kim is painting strips on the ceiling prior to the revoke that goes here on the wall. So if it splashes the wood, it's easy to clean. Otherwise, it's gonna stick to the wood. So she does until she can reach there, and I'll take over and do that section over there. But while she's doing that, I thought I'll do a little video update. Here's a galleria. This is coming out to the backyard. Well, backyard. The lot is massive, so. But that goes to the laundry room. And we were thinking, this is gonna be a sliding door here. This is like 3 meters, a massive door. We're thinking about putting a parrilla, one of those things to make barbecue there, and put a table. But then when people gather here, there's a lot of people. So I'm not sure. Maybe we'll leave the space there and make the parrilla here. If we do the parrilla here, then you can put a bigger table there. And speaking of table, I'll show you. This is gonna be the laundry room. It's gonna be dryer, sink, washer, water tank over there, 120 liters. Here we're gonna have to do a drop ceiling. This stays the way it is. It's gonna have pot lights every other one. That's it, Kim.
I can't reach anymore.
All right, I'll take over. Going this way. This is Kim's despensa, but I want to show you something. I have these two slabs here, lonjas they call them, and they're ready to glue together, but this is not thick enough for a table. I think I'm gonna buy another one and cut it and glue it in the middle. So this is 3.2 meters, which is about 10 feet, just over 10 feet, to make a table. I have some beautiful 4x4s here to make the legs. I don't know what design I'm gonna make, but I do have a parrilla here that they're building. This is gonna be my shop, and this is cemento. And in this wall here, it's gonna be like a kitchenette. So essentially I can, if I clear out my shop a bit, I could have a gathering here. Because here there's gonna be a sink, well, kind of like a kitchen, a small kitchen, like fridge, sink, stove. And I might be able to put a fan and run it above the ceiling in the laundry room that I was showing you a second ago. And the shop is also gonna have a washroom with a full shower. So essentially this part here is almost like a self-contained little house, but that's what's going on. I bought a sprayer to do the rest of it, but I'm still trying to get the hang of it. And yeah, that's it for this update. I think it's just ideas, lots of work. And this is a part where we need to get involved as not just the workers. I want to build a greenhouse over there. And we did the house a bit skew compared to the square. Over there, the house is like square with a lot. Ours is skew, so I don't know if when I do the greenhouse, I want to square it up with my house or with his, I guess, with a lot. But essentially, this is the back. And those are the 2 bedrooms that if you've seen the other videos, you've seen them before. Same thing. We love this ceiling type. This runs throughout Everything is gonna be like that. High ceilings, spotlights, both bedrooms. I think this is like everybody that walks in here says that the house is big. It's not really big. I think that the really high ceilings give it an impression of being big, but that's it. And this is the front of the house, but you can see there is a whole other, I don't know, maybe one day I win the, is it a 649 here in Argentina? I don't think so. But we like to build a pool and something else over there. So, but I think we're gonna have fun here. Lots of work though. Anyways, I don't want to make a movie out of this, so I'll see you in the next one. We'll catch up with you later. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I will reply to you. If no, love you for being here, and I'll catch up with you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.